Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can lock hidden photos on your iPhone. So to lock it, as you can see, if I select this, it won't be hidden. So go to settings, and then once you're in settings, you're going to go to the photo section. Scroll down, and then you're just going to enable passcode. Then it's going to use like your phone passcode to go into that hidden photo album. And that is pretty much how you can lock it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope it helped you. Goodbye.